Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the most important part of animation, and that is animating talking mouth. As you saw in thumbnail, we will do it in only 2 steps. If you don't believe, then look at me, aren't I talking?
Hello, can I join you?
You can do this process in any video editing app, but I will show you in KineMaster. As mentioned earlier, we will do this task only in 2 steps, adding a video layer and adjusting the layer. Let's do it. Go to your project where you want to animate the talking mouth. Click on your layer button to add a video layer. Oops, I didn't have option for video layer. Wait. I have a special hack for this. Abracadabra. See, it works. If you want to know how it is possible, then comment below. Anyway, let's get back to topic. Now, you have successfully added a video layer, and this layer is pre-animated green screen talking mouth. Its link is given in the description. I think many of you would have understand what I am going to do. But let's see how effective it is. Now, drag the video layer to its respective position and adjust its size.
Hey, what is this coming towards me?
Don't worry, it is new mouth for you.
Oh, it's okay.
After that, put the video layer over the face of your character.
Hey, it's over my face. I can't see my viewer.
Oh, sorry. Hey, look my new magic trick.
How you do this?
It is very important to trim the length of the green screen video. For this, click on this layer and click on the scissor button and trim the length of the video according to the size and requirement. Now it is time to check how effective it is. Let's play the video.
Thank you, Chapter, for giving me this new mount. I am very happy today.
As I told you, only in 2 steps you can animate super cool talking mouth in KineMaster. If this video was helpful for you, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for new tips and tricks. Lastly,